Welcome to our room.
7 days we've been waiting, but it's magical everywhere.
This is our beautiful master bedroom. It's our beautiful king-size bed. It's our beautiful TV mirror with our gorgeous sideboard and matching side tables.
Look, I see that looks great. I see that. It's actually a beautiful bed too.
And we've got our beautiful hydronic heater and our big ass fan to keep you cooler in the summer months. Oh, look at the fan.
Big ass fan. That is a big ass fan.
And then in here we've got our beautiful walk-in wardrobe. Very lucky in here. We've got some exposed shelving, lots of storage.
I love the end panels to the walk-in robe, how they open like that. That's really good.
And we've got a lovely special mirror that's got built-in LED lights so you can do your makeup sitting just here. And that is our beautiful room. Thank you for joining us.
Hey guys, welcome
Welcome
to our room.
Come on in.
This
So this is our grand master.
Take a look at this beautiful thing. So this is my beautiful ceiling rose, and her name is Celine Dion, and my Gyprock will go on. So
The ceiling rose is unreplaceable. You know, like they did. When I seen it on the floor, I thought, oh, that's a big wrist.
Gorgeous.
So impressed that they got that back up there.
We've got our
And-
beautiful king bed.
yeah,
We've got our open fireplace over here.
and then just take a look at this big bad boy.
Look at you,
It looks like I have. It now looks like I've actually had some sleep in the past week.
Lots of room for
Lots of room
activities.
for activities. You can actually do yoga in here.
You can do a full leg span. So yeah, we love it. This is our place.
The crane, the monkey, the orangutan.
Welcome to our master suite. Come on in, have a look at the side table.
Navy blue velvet bed head and Art Deco lamps. Okay, I don't think the bedside lights are jaggy. Out of context maybe, but in this area they actually look so beautiful.
Have a look at the Graphico wallpaper.
Oh, that's awesome.
I love that wallpaper.
What about up here? We have ornate ceiling panel and a beautiful chandelier to match the period. Come in this way. Walk-in robe. We have this rotating shoe rack.
Let me have a look. You pull the handle, doll. Come
I
on.
just topped it up.
It's because you do the handle.
Sorry. Plenty of storage. We have a pant rack. Long hanging on this side. A mirror.
Oh, what a great idea! Doors into the ensuite.
Oh my gosh, who would think of doing something like that?
Amazing.
In our wardrobe, open this up, and this is going to go into the ensuite.
Welcome to our room.
Over here we have a really unique feature. It's a TV and a mirror all in one.
Oh.
You can't even you have to do like this little.
You can't. You're gaming.
But even if you actually have to be like this.
A buffet which has got extra storage. Our beautiful bay window where you can have some me time while admiring your plantation shutters. This has got a beautiful feel to it, doesn't it?
Have a seat, mate, in the
have
bay
a
window.
We've got our bone inlay bedside tables with our beautiful sconces right next to our beautiful black four-poster
And
bed.
don't forget the shell. Come into here, walk-in robe. Oh, beautiful motorised blind. Up you go, right up the top. Whee!
And to our beautiful dressing table with real stone. You can sit there, you can study at it, can you do your makeup at it, whatever you want, mate.
Nice room.
No, it's
If you lived
beautiful.
at the beach, which we're 2 streets from the beach, so.
Yeah, it's spot on.
Welcome to our room. This is our master bedroom. We're really stoked with how it all turned out. We've got our massive European king-size bed.
The Graphico wallpaper, which was custom made especially for us, we absolutely love it.
Yep.
It fits in with the period perfectly. Beautiful fireplace.
Brick
we left
chimney.
it, yeah, we left it open like this. It's just iconically 50s.
Just picture sitting on the chair, reading a book, having a martini.
By the fire. My favourite part of the whole room, I think, would have to be this print. It's a print of CZ Guest by Slim Aarons.
Welcome to our walk-in robe. It's not the biggest on the block, but
It's got a beautiful feel to it. It's got the natural oak inside all the drawers here. It's small, but I think it packs a punch.
small but effective.
Yeah.
It's the best bedroom I think I've seen on this block. That's for sure.
That's for sure, yeah.